Crowdfunding has become an incredibly popular way for individuals and organizations to raise funds for their projects or causes. With donation-based crowdfunding, anyone can create a campaign to collect money from supporters who believe in their vision. Whether you're looking to fund a personal project, help out a nonprofit organization, or support a friend in need, crowdfunding can be an effective way to raise the funds you need. We'll explore some effective hacks for using crowdfunding to make money online. Choose the right platform. The first step in using crowdfunding to make money online is to choose the right platform for your campaign. There are several popular donation-based crowdfunding platforms out there, including Kickstarter, Indiegogo, and GoFundMe. While all of these platforms can be effective for raising money, it's important to choose one that aligns with your goals and target audience. For example, if you're looking to fund a creative project, Kickstarter may be the best option since it's geared toward creative endeavors. Craft a compelling campaign. Once you've chosen a platform, it's time to create a compelling campaign that will attract supporters. One of the most important elements of your campaign is your video. Creating a high-quality video that tells your story and showcases your vision can make a big difference in the success of your campaign. Be sure to keep your video short and to the point, highlighting the most important aspects of your project and why it's worth supporting. Leverage social media. Another effective hack for using crowdfunding to make money online is to leverage social media. Social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram can be powerful tools for spreading the word about your campaign and attracting supporters. Share your campaign on your social media accounts and encourage your friends and followers to share it with their networks as well. Consider creating a social media strategy that includes regular updates and engaging content to keep your supporters engaged throughout your campaign. Offer attractive rewards. Offering attractive rewards can be a great way to incentivize supporters to donate to your campaign. Consider offering rewards at various donation levels to appeal to a wide range of supporters. Your rewards should be relevant to your project and offer real value to your supporters. For example, if you're funding a book, you could offer signed copies to supporters who donate a certain amount. Follow up and say thank you. Finally, it's important to follow up with your supporters and say thank you for their contributions. Keeping your supporters engaged throughout your campaign and beyond can help build long-term relationships and increase the likelihood of future support. Consider sending regular updates on your project's progress and inviting your supporters to be a part of the journey. Crowdfunding can be an effective way to make money online, but it requires a strategic approach and a lot of hard work. By choosing the right platform, crafting a compelling campaign, leveraging social media, offering attractive rewards, and following up with your supporters, you can increase your chances of success and make your fundraising goals a reality. So, go ahead and put these hacks into practice and watch your crowdfunding campaign take off.